In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Microsoft PowerPoint to default settings. If PowerPoint has been acting strangely, or if you've changed settings and want to start fresh, this process can help restore it to its default behavior. We'll be doing this through the Windows registry, so it's important to follow each part carefully and only delete the PowerPoint entry shown in this path. To begin, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Run dialog, which is a quick way to launch system tools. In the Run box, type regedit. This is the command that opens the registry editor, which stores configuration settings for Windows and many applications, including Microsoft Office. After that, click Yes if you see a user account control prompt asking for permission. This allows Registry Editor to open. Once the Registry Editor is on screen, look to the left-hand panel and click HKE Current User. This section contains settings specific to the current user profile, which is where PowerPoint stores many of its personal preferences. Next, click Software, then click Microsoft. After that, click Office. These folders narrow the path down to Microsoft Office settings. Now, click 16.0. In most modern versions of Office, this folder contains the settings for Office apps such as PowerPoint. If your version matches this path, continue from here. Inside 16.0, look for the PowerPoint folder. Once you find it, right-click on PowerPoint. Be careful here, because this is the key that holds your current PowerPoint settings. From the menu that appears, click Delete. This removes the saved PowerPoint configuration from the registry, which causes the app to recreate those settings with default values the next time it launches. If Windows asks you to confirm the deletion, go ahead and confirm it. When that's done, restart your computer. Restarting helps make sure the change is fully applied before you open PowerPoint again. After your computer turns back on, launch Microsoft PowerPoint as you normally would. The program should now load with fresh default settings. Keep in mind that this reset may remove customized preferences, so if you had specific personal adjustments in PowerPoint, you may need to set those up again afterward. That's all it takes to reset Microsoft PowerPoint to default settings. Just remember to work carefully in Registry Editor, since deleting the wrong item can affect other programs or Windows settings.